Miss Michael Castro. I am in the third of BGU Parallel C. Is next I will talk about the launch of a rocket into space in 1950. The first rocket created to go to space was developed in the United States and it was called the Viking rocket. To begin, we must know that space rocket a space rocket is a flying vehicle that usually has a cylinder-shaped engine, a machine that uses fuel to generate power and do work proper. Push or drive right force. Through force in the motion with force. A rocket produces the kinetic energy necessary for the expansion of gas, which are launched through propellant tube jet propulsion. The spaceship must break free of Earth's gravity. This requires a minimum speed, called escape velocity, of 40 than that and 300 kilometers per hour, 25,000 miles per hour, relative to Earth. At a slow speed, the spacecraft would go into a very elliptical orbit around the Earth. Vertical motion of a rocket. The mass m of the rocket at time t will be equal to m equal mo minus d per t, where m0 is the sum of the pilot plus the initial fuel, and d is fuel burned after a certain time t. The trajectory is calculated like this: menos b y igual a b o y menos gravedad por tiempo por y by is the velocity. B o y is the velocity of the launch, which is equal to the height rate. T is the time in seconds, and he is the aforementioned gravity constant. The cost of launch is up of $500 million. It is planned to deliver cargo to the key unmanned flights of the Moon and Jupiter Europe satellite. The new LV Falcon 9 will cost around 16 million to produce. In conclusion, the rockets that orbit the Earth are very important for humanity to save communication, and thanks to this, humanity also developed rapidly, but for these two work, the help of physical and mathematics is needed so that very thing goes perfect. And if one of these stops working, we will lose some time, but the company signs they will lose money and humanity because they no longer have a service. Thank you, teachers.